It's Tubey Toys. Do you know that Tubey Toys are out of this world?
Good morning. Hey.
Hey.
Right. Hey guys, it's Tiffany from Tubey Toys, and I'm with my awesome assistant.
And Tubey and our Tubey's with us, little brother.
Little baby bro. Okay guys, we have more incredible Tsum Tsum for you, and it's
Edna Mode.
Edna Mode, and this is the 3-pack from, well, it's a set from Disney Store. So I wanted to show you guys, in case you didn't see our other video, the other Tsum Tsums that we got. This is Dash.
Yeah.
And you could get him at the Disney Store. This is Dash, and you can see his hair is like really nicely slicked back. He has nice embroidered mask on, and he's super soft. I think he's so super cute, and he's $5.95 at the Disney Store. And here's Mr. Incredible. He has his signature like bang over here. I don't know what you want to call that. And he has nice embroidered features on his mask and his little nose. I didn't actually notice that until right now. Little nose is like all sewn in, so super cute. And his little ears that are coming out, he's so cute. Next one is Elastigirl, and Elastigirl looks amazing, and I love her hair, and I love how super soft she is. I love that they did her hairstyle. She's so cute. Here's Frozone. Uh-oh, baby Jack fell. Here's Frozone, and Frozone has his mustache and his little tiny beard over here. He looks so awesome.
He has a big nose.
He does. He's so cool, though. He's super cool.
Mom, where's my super suit?
And we have baby Jack over here. Look at the little hair. I love it. Doesn't he look like your baby brother?
Yeah, but also he has a little nose.
But here we go. We have his little butt area where his little diaper like window would be. Super cute. Baby Jack after he explodes, it's like Monster Jack, and his eyebrows are all crazy. He has like a little horn coming out. It's like crazy teeth.
Yeah.
He is nuts. But he's really cool. If you've seen the movie, you can understand why I think Jack is the best character. I love him.
I love Violet.
Yes.
And baby Jack.
Yeah, Violet's actually awesome too. Violet is super cool. Let's pull back her hair a little bit. Got a little smush, and here's her headband. It's also embroidered. She's super duper soft. Yeah. And I love her. I just wish there was more violet. Like maybe her eyes could have been purple, but I'm sure that looked kind of weird when it's sewn. But here, let's take a look at the main event. We have the 3-pack of Edna Mode, and she has what?
3 emotions.
She has 3 emotions. It looks like we have her sleeping over here, which I've never actually thought Edna Mode was capable of doing. She's always working so hard. But now we can see on the back all of the different Edna Modes that you're going to get. So you're going to get the Edna Mode from Incredibles 2. This looks like, oh, this is her first outfit. This is from Incredibles 1. Here's Edna Mode Thinking. And here's, I'm going to say she's thinking. I don't think she's sleeping. And here's Edna Mode with her new outfit that you see in Incredibles 2. This was $14.95. Got it at on DisneyStore.com. I did not find it in store that day when I bought the whole set. That's why I had to wait to do this video. But let's open it up. Let's take a look at the box. The box has some nice embossing over here.
Yeah.
You can see the shimmer.
And I don't want to even rip it because it looks so cool.
That's right.
And you can like store 3 of your Tsum Tsums inside it.
That's right. And I really love the spot UV that they did. Look at this. Super duper cool. Yeah. It has a slightly raised to the touch feel. And even the symbol for Incredibles 2 has it also. It looks really awesome like in the light. Yeah. So I'm going to cut this gently so we can put her back in the box. But you know what? Wait a minute. I don't think we need to open it. Look what we can do.
Yeah, we can just pull her out.
You think so?
Yeah.
You can. Ugh. Just give her a big pull.
Can I do that?
Okay. Whoa!
And now I do the other one.
Nice. Okay, perfect. So this is the first one that was in there. And here's Edna with her
Part 1 uniform.
No, this is actually part 2. This is yes.
No, it's part 1.
What is that? No, this is part 1. This is what she wore in part 1.
Yeah.
Here's part 2, and it's that nice layered, very smart outfit that I love that we also see with the Thinkway toy outfit.
And also this one is part 2 too.
Oh yeah, this is her kimono that she was wearing when Mr. Incredible went to go see her. And she's like, "Listen, darling, I can take care of it. Just leave the baby with me." And we also have Edna Mode in her Incredibles 1 outfit. That really cool like samurai type ninja layering we see with that sleeve. And she looks a lot different.
Yeah.
Let's literally compare all 3 of them up close. See, there's a difference in her eyes. It looks like she's like reading something, like she's trying to focus, and her eyes are just like wide, and she already knows what she wants. I love that they made Edna Mode, but who else would you want to see?
I would like to see the villains.
Yeah, I agree. I think we need some villain Tsum Tsums.
And I would like to see Void too.
I would like to see Void. And let me clarify again, I did not know if Void was a villain or not. A lot of fan theories before the movie came out was that Void was a villain. Also, guys, if you're leaving comments about the movie, please do not spoil it for others. I don't want people to know the real identity of Screenslaver. No one's seen the movie. It's best to talk about that kind of stuff after the movie comes out of the movie theater, because a lot of people can't get to the movie theater to see it. So, with that being said, I am not going to approve your comments if I see spoilers. You guys are awesome, though. Thank you so much for 5,000 subscribers. Can we give them a big thank you?
Thank you. I just love you guys who are watching. Keep up the good work.
Okay, guys, here is our Incredibles 2 Tsumtsum Collection. I honestly think that we need some villains here, even if we need Underminer or possibly Screenslaver.
I want to see Syndromes too.
Yes! Syndrome! Absolutely! Absolutely! We need Syndrome. Of course we do. Okay, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to Tubey Toys if you haven't already. Don't forget to ring that bell, because every time we post a new video, you'll be the first one to get notified. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and stay tuned for our big 5,000 subscriber giveaway featuring The Incredibles. Thanks for watching, guys.
Have a great day. Yeah, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.